Introduction to polynomials. This is going to be a quick video about polynomials, about an Newton machete. LL. To understand the concept of polynomials, you should know the following. What is a term? What is a formula? And what is like terms? Understand the concepts of polynomials. Before you know what a polynomial is, you should first know what a term is. A term is a mathematical expression. It consists of numbers and variables and coefficients, polynomials, and index/power. As you can see in the corner, that is an example of an expression. The 4 in that expression is the coefficient, and the n is the polynomial. As you can see above the n, a number that is the power/index. This because the variable always has to be raised to a power, so the 2 is represented as the power/index. Numbers and variables. Every term has a number and a variable, but every polynomial has a term, so this is very important. So the number part is just a number, but the proper name would be coefficient, as you knew. But the variable part is one or more variable raised to a power. A power is like x power 4, so that is raised to the 4th power. Or x power 1, that is just raised to the 1st power, but we will just keep it as x. What is a polynomial? A polynomial is a combination of terms. It's like a chain, and it is connected by adding or subtracting. But every term has a variable and a number, which are times together. So it's just like a big chain. Specific names for polynomials. If there's one term, it's called a monomial because mono means one. But if there's 2 terms, it's called a binomial because bio means 2. And if there's 3 terms, it's a trinomial because tria means 3. But if there's 4 or more, it's called a polynomial because poly means many. But sometimes they refer 2 terms and 3 terms as polynomials too. Examples of polynomials. 3x plus x plus 5. How many terms does this expression have? It has 3 terms, right? Every term has to have a number and a variable. But as you can see in the second term, there is no number. It is there, but it was simplified. So the number would have been 1, but 1x would have been same as x, so we just simplify it. But for the third one, there's no variable. So, as you know, every variable has to be raised to the power. The first one is raised to the 1st power. So is the second one. The third one would have been raised to the 0th power. And as you know, x power 0 equals to 1. So 5 times 1 is just 5. So we just simplify it. So that is just your simplified equation. Thank you for listening to my video. I hope you learned something and gained some knowledge. But remember, this is just the starting on polynomial. There's lots more and it becomes difficult. There's like adding, subtracting, dividing, and simplifying. There's lots more. I hope you understand everything. Bye.